Well, he's #1 on the air and #1 in your heart.
Yep.
Let's wish a very happy birthday to KOIN 6 meteorologist
right.
Josh Cozart. Not only is he an incredible forecaster, keeping you safe out there with the most accurate forecast in Portland, he's also really pushing our station into the digital age. I mean, just take a look at some of his work.
Yeah.
He's incredible, Josh, and we're so happy to celebrate your birthday
Oh,
with you today.
thank you guys so
Happy
much.
birthday, buddy.
I
How does
appreciate
it feel?
that.
Are you the age now where you start lying about your age, or not quite yet?
I would say I'm right on the fringe
Same.
of
Okay.
it.
Okay.
It only gets worse
I think
as
we're
you
the
get
same
older.
age, so I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, that, and I have to stop and think, how old am I now?
Right.
Oh, yeah,
I do that
that's,
too.
that's
Yeah.
the age.
I just say I'm like 30-something-ish. Yeah. Happy birthday, Josh.
Thank you.
What are your plans today?
Being here on KOIN 6 News with everybody.
He's got to work.
So,
yeah.
I got to work.
The man's
Somebody
busy.
has to be chief meteorologist
That's
and be
true.
here working today.
He's a busy man.
Happy to wear the hat, especially on such a nice weather day for us. Although I do have to say it is a bit on the chillier side for us here across our region. 49 degrees, that's where we currently reside out at PDX with Southwest Washington. Also feeling the cool down is that widespread cloud coverage and fog up in elevation is starting to creep its way back into the Pacific Northwest. Our current temperature is up and down the I-5 corridor in towards the upper 40s, but with those slowly clearing skies, eventually we'll start to feel the cooling trend as we work our way well past the sunset hour as things are already starting to get dark. After a very chilly start to our day today, just look at Salem. Sub-freezing temperatures just the same in the southern Willamette Valley of Eugene, 36 for Portland, just the same for Hood River. And tonight, also expecting to see those temperatures fall back into the upper 30s. So if you've got those sensitive plants out, my job tonight is to bring mine in from the patio just to ensure that they stay safe just a little bit later into the autumn season. But overall, our temperatures have been riding out well above average by about 3.5 degrees. Our average daytime high for the 18th day of November is 53 degrees. But let's take a look at November as a whole in comparison to some of our warmest Novembers. 2016, that's the breadwinner with an average daytime high and overnight low combined to give us these numbers, 52 degrees. So right now, 58 degrees is our average temperature. We still got another several more weeks of November, so that number will likely come down as we currently reside in first place, but I think we'll start to come down as our temperatures, our averages. It's a slippery slope back down to low 50s as we approach the final few days of this month. We've also seen some beneficial rain with above average precipitation of just 2/100ths of an inch. That number continues to shrink, but I'm anticipating more wet weather as we've seen some soakers of a November over the past several years. Those are those darker shaded blue bars as we approach about 5.5 inches of rain for our average, making November the second wettest month of the year, just behind December. But those clearing skies making for some cooler nights ahead. But I'm watching this next round of cloud coverage, and that's eventually going to be ushering back in the chance of wet weather. Now, we've got to stay cautious along the coastline as we do prepare for the threat of some sneaker waves with those stormy weather out towards the Pacific, eventually approaching the I-5 corridor. That's where we do anticipate those temperatures to stabilize in the 50s in many cases, hovering right around that average of 53. But overall, our futurecast shows patchy fog to start the day off tomorrow. Widespread cloud coverage by the afternoon. It's not until after sunset that we start to pick up on the wet weather, soaking rains, mountain snow for Wednesday night into Thursday, and Thursday still expecting to pick up on a few of those scattered showers. As our rain gauges are expected to fill up close to 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch, as tonight we fall back to 38 degrees. We've also got a freeze warning for parts of the Columbia River Gorge as tomorrow's highs warm back up into the mid-50s. And as far as that timeline goes for tomorrow, expecting a few of those scattered showers after sunset. But the 7 day shows a dry into our week and a weekend ahead as we approach 60 degrees. So again, that's going to be keeping those average temperatures slightly warmer than what we are accustomed to. But hey, when it falls over the weekend with dry skies and mild temperatures, we'll take it.
Yeah, what else can we ask for?
Yeah.
All right, we'll be right back.